Hey guys, welcome to Clarity Chart Analysis. In this channel, I'll be interpreting, analyzing the market structure, telling us our current position on the price market chart, and predicting the possible next move of the market. But first, if you are new to this channel and you want to make money on both directions of the market, and you want to know our current position on the price chart, please subscribe, like, and put on the notification to notify you anytime I drop a new video. Guys, in this video, I'll be analyzing the flow token, currently sitting on number 35 on the coin market cap. It has a symbol of FLOW, flow. Guys, at the point of recording this video, the flow token is trading at the price of $1.17. It has a market cap of about 1.2 billion and a fully diluted market cap of about 1.5 billion. We have about 1 billion. So guys, what is the flow? Flow is a fast, decentralized, and developer-friendly blockchain designed as a foundation for a new generation of games, apps, and a digital asset that powers them. Flow is the only layer 1 blockchain originally created by a team that has consistently delivered great customer blockchain experience. CryptoKitties, Dapper Wallet, NBA to short. The Flow token is a native currency for the Flow network and a keystone for a new, inclusive, and borderless digital economy. If Flow is a digital infrastructure, Flow token is a fuel that powers the network. Flow is the currency required for the network and all applications on top of it to function. Flow is designed as a payment method as well as long-term reserves asset for an entire Flow economy. The Flow is used by validators, developers, and users to participate in the Flow network and earn rewards. It is also used for fees and to participate in future protocol governance. So guys, where can you get the Flow token? You can get the Flow token on Binance, on Coinbase exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, and any other exchange you get your favorite altcoins. So guys, welcome to the Flow USDT chart price. As you can see, I've already mapped out my market structure. I used yellow to map out my major structure, which is my daily time frame, and I used red to map out my minor structure, which is my 4 hours time frame. Guys, I'll be using this tool to show us our move on the market structure. I'll be using the green tool to show us my bullish move. Now I'll be using the red tool to show us. So guys, the Flow token was launched August 2021. It was launched on the price of $35. And guys, guess what? The bear came into the market, broke structure to the downside, brought the price back to about $14. And guys, remember, after every break of structure, you should expect a pullback. The bulls took the price from that $14 and rallied back to about $21. But guys, as long as it's a bearish move, as long as this higher high that gave us this lower low is not taken out, you should expect more break of structure to the downside. So guys, the bears came back to the market, broke structure more to the downside, took the price from $21 and took it back to about $11. Sure, that's the break of structure. We should expect a pullback. The bulls came back to the market, took price from the $11, rallied back to about $17. But guys, still remember, as long as this lower high that gave us this lower low is not taken out, more breaks of structure to the downside should be what we'll be seeing. The bears came back, took price from that $17, rallied down to about $4. Guys, they just broke structure again to the downside. The bulls came back for the pullback, took price from that $4, rallied back to about $9. And guys, another break of structure should be what we should be expecting, because the lower high that gave us this lower low is not yet taken out. So guys, at this point, we should know that we're still on a bearish trend. Anything you'll be doing in the market now should be shorting the market, though it's just a financial advice. So from there, the bears came back, took price from that $9, rallied back to about $1, breaking structure to the downside, expecting a pullback. The bulls took the price from that $1, rallied back to about $3. But guys, the lower high that gave us this lower low is not taken out. We're still on a bearish trend. So guys, what's our current position on the Flow USDT price chart? On the major structure, we just saw a break of structure to the downside, we're expecting a pullback. We've seen a minor pullback, but can this be the end of the pullback? Let's move down to our 4 hours time frame and let's analyze our minor structure. So guys, on our minor structure, we just saw another break of structure to the downside. The bears took the price from that $3.2 and took it back down to about $1.5. Guys, this is a break of structure. We're expecting a pullback. Sure, the bulls came back. That price from that $1.7 and rallied back to about $2.3. Guys, as long as this higher high that gave us this lower low is not taken out, we should expect more break of structure to the downside. So guys, from this point, the bears came back, took price from that $2.3, rallied back to about $1.3, breaking more structure to the downside. We saw a pullback. The bulls came back, took price from that $1.3, rallied back to about $2.08. Guys, this is a bearish trend. For no reason should you be thinking of longing now, except you are an investor. But guys, stay tuned to this channel. I will let you know when the direction is changing and we can start buying. Then the bears came back, took the price from that $2.07 and rallied back to about $1.1. We just saw another break of structure to the downside. But guys, we're expecting a pullback. We've not yet seen any pullback yet. So guys, what's our current position? Flow USDT market chart price. We just saw a break of structure to the downside, expecting a pullback. Sure, we got a minor pullback here. And on the minor structure, we saw another break of structure to the downside, expecting a pullback. We've not yet seen any pullback yet. So currently, you are still on a bearish trend. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. At this point where flow is trading, do you think price will break structure to the downside? Or do you think price will get to this supply zone and continue creating structure and breaking structure to the downside? Or from this point, from this supply zone, price will rally back to this supply zone? Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, and put on your notification to notify you anytime I drop in.